To send money using Barclays mobile banking, start by opening the app and logging in. On the home screen, select the Pay and Transfer option, typically located at the bottom center. Choose to pay a recent or new payee. Then select the account you want to use to send the money from. Next, tap on Add or select Payee if the recipient is someone you've sent money to before. Click on their name from the list. If it's a new person, select Add New Payee and choose Enter Bank Details to input their information. Click Continue and enter the amount you want to send, selecting either a one-off payment or a repeat payment. Tap Review Payment. Select the reason for the payment and confirm you've read the information about fraud. Tap Continue with Payment. Confirm the details and click Continue. You may be prompted to enter your security passcode for authentication. Finally, you can choose to share your payment receipt, and the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily send money using Barclays mobile banking.